This is Claude code running on my phone via Termux for absolutely free. I just built this website with the same, and in next 5 minutes I will exactly show you how to set this up. Let's get started. So let's open Termux, and as always, first we need to update our repos. Then we need to install root distro that will allow us to install Ubuntu, which we need to get Claude code working. It's done. So next, we'll install Ubuntu. Done. So let's log in. Now we just need to run this command to install Claude code. It will basically update your repos, install Node.js, and then install Claude code all in one. It's done. So now if I run Claude, it's working. Now this video is over for you if you use Claude Pro/Max plan and don't want to switch to free or cheap version that gives almost 80% of the same result as Claude. Now this is the tool that allows us to use Claude code for free, and the way it works is basically it creates a proxy server. So instead of Claude code talking to the Claude server, it talks to the proxy where we can use other models too, instead of just Claude. And setting this up is super easy. We just have to copy this command, get back to Termux, Ctrl C twice to exit out of Claude. Now just paste the command and hit enter. We want to run this for Claude code. Yes. Codex no, 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 no. It may take some time, but with the magic of editing, it's done. Now if we run fcc-server, it should work. But if this happens to you also, it's easy to fix. Open .bash rc file with nano, paste following, then save it with Ctrl X, Y and enter. And run following to source it. By the way, I have given all the commands in description which you can just copy paste. Now if we try again, no errors this time. For the first time, it may take some time. It's running. So now we can open a new session and log into Ubuntu again. Now here to start Claude, execute fcc-claude instead of just Claude. Yes, we do. Now if we try to chat here, it won't work as the model selected now is Opus, which is of course the paid model by Claude itself. So we need to use other model which we can run for free. For that, open your browser and go to localhost:8082. Now here we can use any of these providers. I will be using OpenCodeZen as it provides various free models too. To get an API key, head over to OpenCodeZen website and after sign up, go to API keys and copy your API key. Back to admin page. Now here, paste the API key, apply, validate. Then scroll up, click on models config, refresh models. Now if we click here, we have list of models. We need one from OpenCodeZen, which we just configured. If it's not in the list, you can just manually enter it and apply. Big Pickle is one of the free model by OpenCode. That's what I am using here. Back to Termux, and now if we do /model, we should be able to see OpenCodeZen. Select that. If we now try again, it works. Let's see if it can actually build anything. Make me a simple to-do app and create a folder for the same and store everything in that. It did. Will it work? Yes. If you want to control Termux with AI, watch this video. We'll meet you there.